Start of the final quarter, hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop. It has been all Davao Eagles from the opening tip as they're on top 68-31. And the Eagles, especially from the second unit, even the third unit, playing some excellent minutes throughout this contest run on their final game in this preliminary round. And almost a strip. Solon will try at the shot clock buzzer, and Sonoria wants to get things going. Goes behind the back. And here comes Avedra. Almost traveled there, but somehow gets it to fall.
Zamboanga Peninsula running down the court on that play, and you know the crowd reacting to James Sonoria almost on that fast break kasi they're like expecting a highlight from Mr. JM in this one. Ito si James Sonoria, ito bata to ng classmate at good friend mo na si Councilor Ian Bahagi.
Ito 3-point attempt. That's Fuentes gets the putback off the miss. Much to the delight of this guy, Maki Pellegrino, and that's Gian Bulasa. 70-33 for Team Davao Eagles. So an impressive showing for the second unit and even the third unit ni Coach Jess Evangelio. And that's Solon. This time we'll try to go for the bucket on the shaded area. So valiant effort for Team Zamboanga. Here comes the Davao Eagles. Sonoria. Cayetano with a limited productions from beyond the arc as he was playing limited minutes from top of the key for three. That's another three-pointer for Matt Cayetano.
Ilan na ba for Matt? That's his fourth three-pointer of the game. You don't leave that guy wide open. Big mistake there from Zamboanga. But if you're Zamboanga, nothing to be ashamed of. It's already a big win. It's already a big boost. Just being here in the Palarong Pambansa, nothing to lose. And just great effort here. Putting up a valiant show, as you've said, for all throughout the tournament.
73-35 for Team Davao Eagles. Here comes the post play. That's Fuentes and misses the shot. Still plenty of time remaining in this fourth quarter, but I think at this point it's fair to say that it has been all Davao Eagles. I think the game is no longer in doubt at this point, considering this pace here in this ball game. That shot is good from Zamboanga.
Yep, tama ka dyan, Ray. And Davao region, they might be playing this game, but their heads, their minds are already set for tomorrow's clash. A do-or-die game, a knockout game between the Cordillera Administrative Region. Abangan nyo po yan mga ka-J Project, 7:30 AM in the morning. Kaya gumising kayo ng maaga bukas to watch that.
Saavedra leans in and graces the front of the ring. Fast break coming for Fuentes and drops it in. So 2 points there for Judel Fuentes from Samal.
And yun nga, napatayo pa si Gian Bulasa with his injury. Just to applaud Vince Fuentes. Ito si Vince Fuentes, one of the roles niya here is to back up itong si Rene Baterbonia when Rene Baterbonia needs some rest. Coach just hopes that Vince Fuentes will give him that.
So itong si JM Sonoria wants to keep things going, wants to have some good reps in the fourth quarter, where another missed jumper from JM Sonoria. That is the thing that he's trying to work on, those perimeter jumpers. Itong isa sa mga athletic players on the lineup, as that shot is good from the mid-range from Solon. So valiant effort for Solon, and that's their leading scorer in this game tonight. That's Damag 3. And Aaron Luwage able to track it down. Sonoria, Luwage from 3. Another rebound para sa Team Zamboanga. So we're about to approach the halfway point of this fourth quarter. So it has been an open court fourth quarter as Damag goes on the attack. And that's 2 more for Al Damag. Solid outing for this bench player ng Davao Eagles. Al Damag having an excellent offensive game dito po sa ating fourth and final quarter. That's 3 points. That's a three-pointer for Team Zamboanga.
Si Solon, he's really a knockdown shooter from the outside, but it's just that his team needs more of him to keep things going as Matt Cayetano with his 5th triple of the game. Don't leave that guy wide open. And ito si Matt Cayetano, if you're a fan of him, you're hoping that he'd go on a big game for tomorrow's matchup. So keep that one, Matt.
And with that excellent shooting performance for Matt Cayetano, from Matt Cayetano rather. So itong excellent shooting performance ni Matt Cayetano, he's hoping na it will carry on to the quarterfinals tomorrow. Here's our sharpshooter moment from J Project Loading Shop on another 3-point shot from Matt Cayetano, his 5th of the game. And he's hoping na maipagpatuloy yung magandang rhythm heading into the knockout stages of this year's tournament. And a much-deserved rest from Matt Cayetano alongside JM Sonoria, as they're gonna be expecting to be one of the starters tomorrow on their quarterfinal matchup against the Cordillera Fearless Highlanders.
I'm really looking forward for that game. Sa mga J Project, abangan nyo pa rin yun. So, mahaba-haba pa ang ating... at bukas, interestingly, Ray, if you win your match in the morning session, in the quarterfinals, you will play the semifinals pagkahapon. So there will be 2 sessions tomorrow, quarterfinals in the morning and semifinals in the afternoon. We'll have, I think, a 1-hour interval or 1-hour rest after all the quarterfinals match is finished.
That's 2 more for Al Damag, one of their top scorers tonight for Coach Jess Evangelio. At ang Davao Eagles, it's now a 40-point lead. I think this is the largest of the ball game for the Davao Eagles. On their first game against the Ilocos region, itong Davao Eagles won by over 60 points against the Ilocos region.
Yep, and this time, it's a 40-point game using the second unit of Coach Jess. You see the quality, you see how deep Davao Eagles bench are. So all of them really useful, really playing their role and really stepping up when Coach Jess needs them to step up.
Ball is stripped, and here comes Aaron Bayanban. Nice forward pass. Estardante breaks free, and the layup. That's an easy 2 once again for the Eagles. So ito si Paul Estardante with a breakout game off the bench for the Eagles in Davao Regions. Ito, magandang kumpiyansa for the big man. Itong si Paul Estardante. Kasan to the corner. And we're down to 8 on the shot clock for Solon. He'll try another 3. Another missed shot. Good box out rebound for Paul Estardante. Has been all Davao Eagles from the opening tip. Solid showcase for everyone involved on this lineup ni Coach Jess Evangelio.
Yep, and itong Davao region really looking forward to what will happen tomorrow. They will get as much rest as they can, as well as tomorrow yung advantage if you play the first game tomorrow, you will have the longest rest for the day. Kasi remember, my if you win your matches in the morning session, you will have the semifinals, the match in the afternoon. So itong Davao, yung advantage nila, if they get past Caraga, Akar, they will have the longest rest out of all the competing teams, out of all the 8 teams bukas. So that is somewhat an advantage coming from them on that schedule.
But for the Davao Eagles, they're gonna take 1 game at a time tomorrow, as they're gonna face a real test bukas against the Cordillera Administrative Region Fearless Highlanders, and that's coming up tomorrow mula po dito sa EOC Gymnasium. So the majority of the points from the Zamboanga Sharks has been from Solon, number 62, one of their sharpshooters on the lineup from Zamboanga City. Estardante, pass was tipped away almost. Repompo barging his way into the paint, and that's 2 more for John Repompo this time. And that gives Davao Eagles a 41-point lead, 86-45. As we're about to wind down to the final 2 minutes of this contest. And Taka on a skip pass to the corner. Into the hands of Kasan. But shot clock down to 2 seconds. Solon has to fire, but Zamboanga could not recognize that shot clock was winding down as that was a violation. So amazing outing for the reigning champions, the Davao Eagles, most especially from the second and third unit ni Coach Jess Evangelio. Fuentes, that's Vince Fuentes, who scored his only bucket in the fourth quarter. Players got tumbling there. On the other side, Estardante wants to make a drop pass to Fuentes, but ball last touch by Zamboanga.
That's what a little bit of a dangerous play. That's the last thing you want to happen when you're already advanced into the second round. So gusto ko lamang batiin ngayon. Happy watching also. Talagang sinubaybayan niya at tinutukan niya yung laro to Mr. Van San Miguel and to one of my brothers in Christ, si Mr. Lorenzo Anoos Villabrilli, watching this all the way from Davao City. So happy watching po sa inyo.
Repompo will try his luck from 3 and he gets it to fall. It's a big time triple from John Repompo. So able to showcase his touch from beyond the arc for the big man off the bench, si John Repompo. We approach 70 seconds to play in this ball game. We still have one more coming up, and that is between the Raging Buffaloes ng Ilocos Region versus the Caragold ng Caraga Region, the hosts for this year's Palarong Pambansa. Estardante takes it all the way. Vince Fuentes, another offensive rebound. Putback is up and out. Another chance for Estardante. Balikang Fuentes and drops it through.
Double big here. I'd like to see moving forward sa ating torneo. There are like some stretches. Gusto ko makita magsabay itong maglaro si Repompo and si Estandarte at si Fuentes kasi they are like 6'2", both of them, and very wide-bodied players. So if when time comes na kailangan ng dalawang malalaki sa loob, gusto ko makita playing down the stretch ito si Fuentes at Estandarte.
So we're down to the final 25 seconds and Davao wants to play keep away. But ball will go to Team Zamboanga. That's Taka on the drive. And that could be the last bucket of the game para dito sa Davao Eagles. And Coach Jess Evangelio signaling to the players that they no need to shoot as we're down to the final 5 seconds of the game, and that will do it. The defending champions, the Davao Eagles, will finish the preliminary round campaign undefeated as they're gonna move on to the quarterfinals. An excellent showcase, especially from the bench unit ni Coach Jess Evangelio, as the Eagles of Davao Region win this one in dominating fashion over the Zamboanga Sharks. Here's your final score. It's 91-49. The Davao Eagles win this one in dominating fashion over Team Zamboanga.